Dang, dude, under that tree goes back really far. They keep on tucking themselves under there.
Dude, one swiped at it, missed it, and hooked himself in the side. But he got off. I just let it sit there. I was like, you're going to have to work it off yourself. GoPro, start recording.
Take it. Come on. Got him. Oh, please don't come off. Please don't. No. Oh, flip, 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 flip. There we go. God. I didn't know if he had it or not because he like bit it from the side. Ooh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's a good bass. I'm gonna get him back quick. He's bleeding a little bit. I ripped his lip up a little bit, but that's okay. All right, well, I got it. First bass of the day. I didn't know if he had it or not because he like, I was gonna say he like bit it from the side, so I didn't know if he had a hook in his mouth or not. I know. I wasn't even moving it either. I didn't want to move it and spook him. Bass are blowing up like crazy. We're at New Pond. I already got a bump. Ooh, there's a bass hanging out right on that bank. I'm not gonna get any closer. Oh, I got him. Oh my God. Holy crap. Dude. There is no way. Did he just break my line? There is no way. I feel so bad. He's in the same spot though. That is the hardest fighting bass I've ever seen. You got it. Yep. No! Is that even the same one? That one looks smaller. Bite it. Got him. I don't think it's the one from earlier, but it's a fish. Is it the same one? No, it's not. Okay. Freaking stud. A 1 pound stud. Okay. gonna let this fellow go over here so I don't spook the other one that still has a hook in his mouth. Go on. Yep. Okay, good. He decided to come back. And we're gonna see if we can catch that bad boy and get the hook out of his mouth. No. Bird's nest, dude. Alright, my GoPro's pretty much dead. I got him up on the bank. I think it's the one. I think that is the one. Oh my god, that is no. Oh my god, this fish is huge. Dude. I'm at 5% on my GoPro. That's why I keep on turning it off. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw him on the scale. I think that this is the one that I hooked earlier. Like, it has to be. I broke my PB by 1 ounce. 3 pounds, 11 ounces. He's a freaking beast. Let's go ahead and get a release on him. Holy crap. All right, I don't see any other hooks in his mouth, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this big boy go. Oh, you gonna take off? Uh-oh. Okay, he went. Holy crap, dude. All right, he's gone. All right, so I checked his mouth. I didn't see any other hook in it, but that is definitely the one that I hooked earlier, so the hook must have just fallen out. And well, that is just insane. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I'm so glad I was able to catch him and make sure there's no hook in his mouth. And now he's set free, hookless. So hope you all enjoyed the video. My GoPro's at 1%, so bye-bye.